Hi friends! We are outside Kallang MRT station and today I'm very happy to have Emjae Fotos join me. So we're going to participate in the SG57 cycling event that's organized by Active SG. It's called Pesta Sukan, which is a Malay word for sports festival. The starting point is actually at Sports Hub. So we are going to cycle from Kallang MRT station to Sports Hub to meet with the rest of the cyclists and to check in to collect our beep and our tag. And then the start of the event is at 7 p.m. So see you guys later, yeah?
Check, it's around 4:54, almost 5 p.m.
Yeah. So
yeah,
see you guys later.
To get some stuff there.
Yeah. And then we might buy some bread here as well before going there. Okay. See you guys later, yeah?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Emjae Fotos as well. Okay. See you guys.
Yeah.
I got my tag. We got our tag. So we already checked in and we scanned the first code. So we're gonna go back to our original meeting place with the rest of the cyclists. And get ready for 7 o'clock. We're walking back to our meeting point with the rest of the oldies cyclists. Because the check-in area is pretty crowded. So we decided to sort of like gather nearby. Yep. It's my first time joining a pretty big scale cycling event like this, so I'm pretty excited and also excited to meet the other cyclists.
You think how many registered?
I think maybe hundreds.
Hundreds, right?
Yeah, I think hundreds. Yeah. I think it's supposed to pin to the top shirt, right? The other one, I'm not sure. Yeah. Hi. Okay. So our meeting, we are waiting for the rest of the cyclists here from the Pikes group and also Foldy. So we're going to take a group photo before we roll off.
Thank you.
Oh!
So today we got 7 stops, okay? So today I'll take point. Who want to go faster than me, please go ahead. But I'll see you at 6 stops.
刚才走上走下，两三次，
Then
我问你们，OK？
Barrage is our first stop. After Barrage, we take a U-turn back. We hit ECP. ECP along ECP towards Tanah Merah Coastal Road. There's another checkpoint. We scan again at checkpoint, and then we proceed down to Tanah Merah Coastal Road. Once we reach Aviation Park, there's another scan checkpoint. Then after Aviation Park, the next scan point will be at Pasir Ris Sports Centre. So at Pasir Ris Sports Centre, we move on to Punggol Settlement, and then we will rush it to Center. So if you think you want to go first, you go first, but make sure you know where to go. Alright? especially those registered ones. Those don't know where to go, just follow me, okay? So along the way, you see a pothole, don't just siam the pothole, shout pothole,
Then go inside.
so that everybody behind you right will know, okay? So today, let's hope for a safe ride. Anything happen along the way, I took my first aid refresher course already, okay? Look for me, okay? Alright, EpiPen,
CPR have
Apple Pen, look for me.
So we roll off already. Second stop is Marina Barrage Station. So we gotta go there. Total 7 stations. So every station when we reach, we just scan the QR code. Now we are going to the second stop. Scanning the second code. Okay, let's go. So we have scanned our second point. Now we're going to the third point.
Eventually.
At the third point now, scan the code. Everybody is scanning. Scan, scan. Woo! Oh, finish the top 5. Going to the top 5. Okay, we're going to enter the NCR. Lots of cyclists tonight. It's a pretty long stretch. The next checkpoint is Aviation Park, which is before the Changi Bay PCN. Okay, normally this stretch is really tough, but this evening it's quite okay because there are many cyclists, so I feel that we have companions and cycling together. Yep. Okay, we've scanned the QR code that is at Aviation Park. Now on to the next one.
One eternity later.
One only 啊？翻译shot，我们没有翻译shot。翻译shot，全部走了，走了。你看后面。翻译shot，全部帮我打一下左边，好不好？完了，都没有人弄你，没有人弄你。我就是那个状态。
Just now we took a break at the toilet after Changi Bay PCN. Now we're on to continue to the next point, Pasir Sports Center. Now we're at Changi Beach.
这里省下来的，差不多了，差不多到。Okay, 7 kilometer, no kick one. Let's go.
And finally, we reach.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Well done!
Thank you.
来，你的推脚车去拿你的奖杯嘛。
Yes.